Hi guys, today we have been boiling some kenkey and I'm going to go ahead and remove the foil and show you what it actually looks like. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, kenkey is a West African swallow produced by steeping grains of maize in water for about a week, milled and kneaded into a dough, which is then allowed to ferment for a week. Now you've got the Fanti version from the Fanti region of Ghana, and that is cooked in banana leaf, I believe. So it is a lot more darker and the taste is slightly different as well as the texture. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this, and as you can see, it is held together and boiled in corn skin, and that also adds an extra element of nutrition and taste. So we're going to just go ahead and cut it in half like so and just place it on another dish. For those of you who don't know, kenkey is also eaten in various parts of the Caribbean, in particular Jamaica. Okay, so now what we're going to have it with is turkey tail, also known as trophy, with fresh red pepper and Jamaican style peppered prawns. So guys, here's the fresh red pepper and you can see a bit of chopped onions in there. So this is like fresh tomatoes, Scotch bonnet, which is the carbonara peppers, as well as onions. That's all been blended together to get this consistency. We're just going to put a little bit here. You can also have it with the black pepper, which is the shito, which is got shrimps and onions and various goodies that has been cooked slowly. And last but not least is the Jamaican styled pepper prawns, or some of you may refer to it as shrimps, but we call it prawns. And this is extremely spicy. We're going to have it cold and it's going to complement our dish. We'll just place a few. And guys, the fact that this dish is quite peppery, it's very good for your health. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this. Bon appetit.